Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to use your JBL Boombox free Wi-Fi with the JBL One application. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to turn on our speaker by clicking this power button on the top of the speaker. After this, you would need to take your phone, open App Store or Google Play Market and download this JBL One application. After you are done, click Open and wait until the application finds your device. For example, it looks like this. We need to click Connect. To continue, we need to click this heart button on our speaker. Let's do it. Now we would need to connect our speaker to a Wi-Fi network by entering the password. I have entered the password before and I just simply click Connect to continue. After you are done with the setup of your speaker, now we can finally go to all of the features and settings by clicking on this tab with your speaker on it. So right here you can see a lot of features and settings, but let's start with the equalizer. Right here you can see three frequencies which are named bass, mid and treble. So basically the bass is responsible for the low frequencies, the mid frequencies are responsible for most of the instruments in the song, and treble responds for the vocals. So if you would like to make the bass more noticeable or reduce it, we would need to click on this icon on the right corner and move these dots if you want to change the settings. For example, I would like to reduce bass a little bit, make the instruments more noticeable and also the vocals too. And this is how it looks. After you are done with the settings, just simply click Save and that's it. So now let's get to the My Moment feature. This feature is located on this heart button on your speaker, and to set it up we would need to do some changes on the application. This feature does this thing so you can preset your favorite playlist, artist or a song, and by only one simple click you'd be able to listen to your favorite music almost immediately. So let's set it up. As a first step, we would need to choose our preferred music service by clicking on this tab. Right here you can see some services that are supported by the JBL One application. After you are done with the service, scroll down and click on this tab named Moment. Right here you can see some preset sounds of forest, rain, ocean or city walk. You can also listen to them before you go to sleep to calm down a little bit. Or you can preset your playlist, favorite artist or tracks by clicking on this tab right here. So after you have clicked, choose your music service and you would need to log in. After you have logged in, you would be able to see this tab from your Amazon Music account with your favorite playlists, stations, charts, recommended, new and my music. So let's choose some song that I would like to set up for My Moment feature. For example, I will click My Music, Tracks, and choose one of these. After you are done, you would be able to see your playlist on this tab. And now this feature is fully working. Let's try it by clicking this heart button on our speaker. You've heard it, and now you know how the My Moment feature works. So, next thing that we can see right here is the product settings. Let's click on it and explore it. So, right here you can rename your product, do a Bluetooth reconnection and also enable or disable audio tones. So, for example, when you are changing some settings, after you are done, you will hear audio tone, which confirms that you have changed something. If you don't like these audio tones, just simply click on the slider to disable this function. So the next thing that we can see is the Wi-Fi network. You can see the Wi-Fi strength and the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. And if you are connected to a Wi-Fi, you would be able to see this tab Wi-Fi streaming, where you can connect to Spotify, you can do Tidal Connect, AirPlay, Rune Ready, or even use Amazon Alexa. But unfortunately in my region she isn't available. And The interesting thing is that right here you can do a factory reset. By simply clicking on this button, you'll log out of this application and your speaker will perform the factory reset. If we will go back, the next thing that we can see right here is a product information. You can see product model, serial number, MAC address, and the product software. If there is any available update, you would also see the information right here. The next thing is some websites for product support or quick start guide. And the next feature that we can see right here is create a system. This feature can connect some JBL speakers one between each other, so you can listen your favorite music from even more than only one speaker. This is especially useful for some meetings or parties, for example. If we will click right here, it will start looking for new speakers around you, and you would need to make sure that the other products are powered and connected to the same network, and for better sound performance, not all products can be grouped as a system. And that's it. The last thing that I can show you today is the Dolby Atmos, which is located right here. Unfortunately, you can't just turn it on or turn it off, because as it says right here, if we click on this eye, the JBL Boombox 3 Wi-Fi supports Dolby Atmos. When there is a Dolby source input, Dolby Atmos effect will be automatically applied, giving you the truly immersive 3D sound for all of your favorite entertainment. Unfortunately, I don't have any Dolby Atmos inputs, so I would be able to show it to you. But now you know that this feature exists on this speaker. And that's it. Now you know how to use JBL One application with your JBL Boombox 3 Wi-Fi. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.